Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to log into your Microsoft Authenticator account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to log in there, you just simply have to open your application at first, and after opening the application you will get the add account option. Just simply tap into add account and then choose this personal account option. Then after that, tap into any of the suitable option into here. I'm choosing sign in with Microsoft option. And then after tapping into there, you will get to see account that you have used or add an account, add a new account. Just simply select any of those options, and after that you will successfully be logged into your Microsoft Authenticator. This way you can easily log into Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.